Here we go. We have a question longest substring with distinct integers or distinct characters. So you have given a string S. We need to find the length of the longest substring with all distinct characters. So for example, we have given this string, and in this, this is distinct, and we have this. We have 5 length, 6 length, then 7 length. So we have this length, and all the characters in this length is distinct. So one answer can be this, or another answer can be this, but the length is shorter. Or the answer can be this, so the length is shorter. So we need to find the longest length, and in this, only one single character is the longest substring that we can find, and in this ABC is one of the answer, ABC, or this is one of the answer. So the length is 6, so this is one of the answer, and yeah, this is our answer also. This is another answer, and we can find many more answers. This is also one answer, and the length is 6, so the answer can be anything. Now let's build the approach. So suppose we have given this string, and in the constraint it is clearly says that the characters is in a lowercase. So we know that we have at max 26 characters from 0 to 25. So this is for A, this is for B, C, D, E. We have E, we have K, we have F, and we have R, we have G, then K we have already taken, then we have S, and if any other character is there, we will add on the go. Yeah, so that's all. So suppose first of all we have a variable P. So what is P means? P means the previous character that is occurring at what position. So we have position as -1 initially, then we also have our answer is initially 0. So now let's run this. First we have G. All the values in the array is initially -1. So we have G. Is G value -1? Yes, it means G is occurring. So G is the first G occurring first time. At what index? The index is 0. So we will place 0 here. We will place 0 at this index. So we need to check if G already exists or G does not exist. The -1 value says the value G does not already, the value G we does not have already. So it means we have index as -1. So what we'll do, till previous point to this point we have a string. So previous point is -1 and current character is G. It means so I minus previous character. This is the substring. This is the substring, or we can say a unique substring. So index is 0. 0 minus -1 is 1. So answer will contain the maximum answer, which is 1 at this case. Then we have E. So E value is already -1. It means this E occurs, um, this E is the first E that we are having. So we will place -1. Actually we will place 1. So we will place the index. So we have placed the index, and we have unique substring. So index 1 minus -1 minus -1, it means the length 2. As you can see, we have length 2. So this is the crucial point. So pay attention. We have E. Is E already there? Yes, E is already there. It means the last E occurred at index 1. The last E, the previous E, the latest E occurs at index 1. So we will update our P. If our array, or I will say it DP array, if character is already there, means value is not equal to -1, then we will pick that index. But this is not always the case. I will tell you. So first I will pick this index. I have taken 1. So now what is the unique substring? Unique substring is 2 minus 1, which is 1. As you can see, the substring ending at the current position is only 1. This is the unique substring. We cannot go um, left. We cannot go left. So the next character is k. Is k already there? No, k is not already there. So we will place the index. Actually, I forgot to uh, place 2 because we have just seen e at position 2. So don't forget to update the value, update the value. So then we have k. Is k already there? No, k value is -1. So this k occurring, uh, this k is the first time that is it is occurring. So we will place our index. So this is index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So this k is the first time occurring. Its index is 3. So this condition does not true. This condition is not true. So we have a unique substring ending at this position. So ending at kth position, and the previous character is 1. So we have 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So as you can see, the longest length is 2, ending at the ith position. Okay. Now we have s. Is s already there? No, s is not already there. So this is the first time that the s occurs. So the unique substring will be I means 4 minus previous index. 4 minus 1 is 3. As you can verify it. The substring ending at the ith position is 4. Is 3. The substring length is 3. Substring length is 3. And don't forget to place the position, place the index. Then we have f. Is f already there? No. So the unique substring ending at this position is 5, which is the current index. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4, which is the maximum value till now. And don't forget to place the current index. Then we have O. Is O already there? No, O is not already there. O's value is -1. So this is the first time that is it is occurring. And 6, which is the current index, 6 minus previous index, 6 minus 1 is 5. So we have 5, we have substring length, we have substring of length 5. This is the unique substring length. Then don't forget to place the value, place the index. Then the next string is R. Is R already there? No, this is the first time that the R is occurring. So place and find the unique substring. 7 minus P is 6. So the value will be 6. The answer will be 6. Next we have G. Is G already there? Yes. G occurred at index 0. But we have we have already considered the maximum value, which is the 1. So G occurred, but G occurred at index 0, but we are already ahead of the previous index, ahead of this value. So what we'll do? DPC, C means G. So G value is not equal to -1, it is 0. So should we pick the value? No, I think I have made a mistake here. We are not picking the index, we are picking the previous index of C. So as we have 0, as we have 0 here, so should we pick the value 0? No, we are already ahead of 0. So we will not pick 0, we will pick the maximum value. we will pick the maximum value, and our previous will not update. Previous will be maximum of this value or already contains value. It means our p will not update to 0, which will give us a negative incorrect answer. So we will mm, not gonna update our p. P is still 1. So what will be the substring, the unique substring till now? Current length is 8. 8 minus p is 7. So as you can verify it, so the seventh length 3, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yeah, 9 minus 1 is 8. So that's why. And actually I have noted on the ninth index. Yeah, I am not on the ninth index. We are here to here. So the current index is 8 and 8 minus 1 is 7. So the maximum length till now is 7. Now it's time to consider E. It's time to consider E. But before that, don't forget to update your gth value. So it will be 8. Now we have E. The next character is E. Is E already there? Yes, is already there on index 2, which we are currently considering. So we have to avoid it. We have to get rid of it. So the value is already the value, the character is E and E is already occurring. The value is not equal to -1. So we will pick the maximum value between P or between this value, which is the previous index. This is the previous index of E. So we will pick the previous index of E. It is 2. So now what is the length? Current index. Current index 9. 9 minus 2. 7. So is 7 is the correct answer? Let me check. So 3 is this, then 3 is this, and 1 is this. So uh, actually, yeah, 3 characters 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Yeah, so we have 7 unique characters in the current substring. Next, if actually don't forget to update update the index. So we will update the index. The next character is E. Is E already there? Yes, E is already there. So we will consider the maximum value. E is already there. So we will pick the maximum value. What's the maximum value? Either P or the previous index of E or the previous index of E. So we will pick the previous index of E, which is the maximum. So now it is 9. So this underline is for visualization, and the answer will be current index is 10. So 10 minus 1, 10 minus 9 is 1. So a single character. This is the single character. And now let's move ahead. But before that, don't forget to place your current index. Next character is K. Is K already there? Yes, K is already there. The previous index of K is 3. But we have already ahead of the previous index of K. So we will not gonna update our P. P still contains 9. So what we will do? 11 minus 9 is 2. Yes, 2 is the maximum length for the substring, which is unique. And don't forget to update your kth value. It will be 11. Then the next character is S. Yes, S is already in our string, but S previous index is out of our window, we can say. So we have already considered, and we are ahead. We are ahead of that point. So the point is 4. We are already ahead of that point. So we will not gonna update our P. So that's why the maximum of the previous character or P, previous character, previous ith character, we can say, or the already contains value, we need to find the maximum value between them. So the substring ending at this position will be 12 minus previous index, which is 3. So this is the maximum answer ending at this position. And don't forget to update your s. So the s value will be 12. And the maximum value is our, so the answer is our maximum unique substring. So that's all about this approach. Now let's code this. Code is very simple. We just have a simple DP of 26 size, a previous, and an answer. Initially, fill all the values in the DP with -1 value. Next, we have a loop. Pick the character. If the previous index of the current character, if we have already seen this character, so just consider the maximum value, and don't forget to update the current cell. And at the end, just consider the maximum answer. And one thing, that here they only imported hash map and hash set. So hash map or hash set will be our we can say brute force or better approach, but this is the optimized approach, and we have not used any hash map or hash set, but this question can be solved using hash map. So the key will be character and the value will be indices, and we have solved this question. And let's talk about time and space complexity. So we have made the expected time and space complexity. It is pretty clear what is it. And that's all. If you have learned something new, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and thank you all for watching.